Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be styling, reviewing this wig, telling you guys all about this wig that I received from Dorhair. It's so bomb! Oh my god, like, do you guys see this? First of all, the length, I'm in love with how long it is, and like it's like a jerry curl, and it's bomb. Like, I love it so much, and it's super cheap. And I have a coupon code for 5% off. Just use the code Jamie and you can get that 5% off. But I will have the link down below directly for where you can purchase this wig. It's so bomb. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at myself. Yeah, but let me know what else you guys would like to see. Yeah, and you guys will see everything you need to know about this wig. Just keep watching. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes and an E. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we are doing another wig review. This wig that I'm reviewing is from Dorhair. Here's the box that it came in, and I just want to apologize in advance for I decided to watch at the worst possible moment. Like, girl, I had one job, and so please excuse the noise. I'm sorry about that. But yes, so we are going to be reviewing, it's a 22-inch. It's Brazilian human hair. It's a deep curly, 150% density, 22 inches, 13 by 6 glueless lace wig, and I'm so hyped about this 13 by 6 part, bruh. Oh my god, like I've been wanting like a 6-inch part, because the 4 inches it just doesn't do it for me. So I'm so excited about this. They were so kind to send me this hair. I will have the direct link down below so you can know where to purchase this wig if you decide you want to do so. Also, you can, if you use my coupon code, you'll receive $5 off, so make sure you use that if you want to save some money. Yeah, so what is nice about this wig is that it claims to be the knots are pre-bleached and it's pre-plucked, so this is perfect for beginners, for people that's not trying to spend all that extra time doing all that extra stuff. So yeah, and inside the box, I love the box. Like, I love like the black, the chic, like it's very nice. I feel it comes with a band, which is dope. It comes with a brush. What else? Instructions, information, hair type, all that stuff, and then a wig cap. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just apply some powder to the this part so it matches my skin tone when I lay it down. And there's also it's a lot of clips in here. It's 1, 2, 3. I'm saying a lot. It's 4 clips. You know, it's the one in the back, one in the 2 on the side, and then the 1 in the middle. So yeah, what I like to do is just take some powder the same color as me. Actually, foundation works better. You just don't use a lot. If you're gonna use a liquid foundation, just don't use a lot, because you don't want it to be like, you just want it to dissolve into the lace, you know. I'm trying to talk loud. Oh, I'm so mad that this video is doing this. I hope it's not too loud when I post it. So yeah, I'm just taking this brush, which I mentioned in my last video, so make sure you go check out my last video talking about this brush if you haven't already. And just using the foundation, I'm stippling just a little bit to make the, as you know, to tint it so it's the same color as me. Just so when you melt it down, you can't tell, like, you know, you don't got that ugly, like, it'll just melt better. So now that we've got the lace all covered for the most part, is good enough. I'm gonna apply it onto my head, put it on my head. I'm gonna put this thing on. Oh, it fits really good. I love the way it fits. And I'm so excited for how long it is too. Yeah, this is, oh my God, I'm loving it. Like, I love this size. Like, it fits perfect on my head. And this is the size that I have. I have a big head too. It's a medium cap. So if you have a big head, I suggest a medium cap. It's good. And then it's like perfect, like right where it's falling on the sides for the sideburns looks great. So now I'm just gonna spray it down to loosen out this curl. And then we're gonna comb it out as well, just to, you know, I don't know, but we're gonna comb it out. So yeah, I'm just wetting it all the way down, and it's easier to part when it's wet too, so. It's so weird, I never film at night on a Friday. Like, I'm literally getting dressed to go out, so I'm like, you know what? And I wanna wear a different wig, and I see it, I'm like, okay, this one came in the mail yesterday, so I'm like, you know, we gonna wear this. So it's literally like 8 o'clock at night. I'm trying to hurry up and wash the shirt I'm gonna wear. Like, I'm so trash. That's literally why you hear all that noise. And so the hairline looks good also. Like, I really don't think I'm going to pluck. I may pluck a little bit just so it doesn't look super perfect, like, but barely anything. All right, so we're gonna do a middle part. Did I not bring my... Y'all don't know how hype I am. Okay, I gotta go get my other comb. All right, so yeah, now we're just parting it into a middle part. (13x6) is honestly, like, the 6-inch deep part is so bomb. Like, and then this wig is super cheap. Like, it's only, hold on, I don't remember, but I remember when I looked at it, $111, and you get $5 off. Like, and it feels really good. So now I'm just going to apply some mousse just so we can flatten out the top part, just so you can actually see the part. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm gonna cut it off on my head. You can cut, like, I prefer to cut it off on my head sometimes. I'm not about to say, because I be doing whatever, whenever, but right now in this moment, I'm gonna cut it off on my head. And I do like to use, like, small, like, eyebrow scissors, cosmetic scissors, whatever you want to call them. Honestly, the way that this looks, you really don't even have to glue it down. Like, it looks so good already. Like, you don't have to. Like, you literally could just leave it as is, but you just gotta be careful because the flaps come up. But if you just leave it alone, like, you can leave it just how it is. But for the purpose of this video and the purpose of me going out about to get drunk tonight, we're gonna glue it down. So I'm using the Got To Be gel and then the free spray as well. And I just take it on the end of the comb and then push it back. Like, I start on my forehead, like where I want it to lay. No! Lord, what is that? Oh, I just got makeup all over my face. Makeup that's not supposed to be there. So to close out this video, because I never do an outro, I just want to say like my overall thoughts on this hair is that it's bomb. I love the texture of the hair. I think it's very, like, what you get is very affordable. And my biggest thing that I really like is like the hairline of it. Like sometimes when I glue it down, like it won't be like, it'll be off, or it just won't fit right. Like it'll fit small, or it'll fit really, really big. This one is actually like a true fit. Like it's like a medium, and it fits like a medium. Like it fits snug. Like I don't have like a whole bunch of extra cap space left. So that is the biggest, like, what I'm like yes, yes, yes for, because that's what I notice sometimes is with these wig companies, like the ones that are like still good quality but just cheaper in price, is that like the sizing of the wigs are not always that great. So that is what I really like. Like I said, it's true to fit. Like it fits good. Yeah, and like I said, it was pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so I didn't have to do anything. I literally just put it on my head out the box, and usually I don't do that. Usually I bleach the knots, I pluck it, and I do everything to get it, like, you know, and it looks really good. Like as you guys can see, like I love the way it looks, and then it already has the baby hair too, so I just cut a little bit of the baby hair off and boom, added it, and there we go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, I apologize for my stupid washing machine. This is a shirt that I was washing, so say thank you to this shirt, because this is what was making all the noise at the beginning of my video. But thank you to Dorhair for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. I really appreciate them, and I'm just so grateful. So I'll see you guys in my next video.